I'm going to give my tips on when you're doing paid LinkedIn for a client. Firstly, when writing the social copy for your ad, make sure you keep it below 150 characters. This is for two reasons. Firstly, you want to grab the attention of people flicking through their LinkedIn feeds. And secondly, if somebody clicks see more, that is a chargeable click on your LinkedIn ad. You don't want to be paying just for someone to have a little read and not click through on your ad. You want them to be paying for actually downloading your form or clicking through to your website. My second tip is to have as big audience as you can when you first launch your ads. The recommended amount is 50,000 people in your target audience. This is because it gives your LinkedIn feed the opportunity to get used to the algorithm of your audience. Once you want to target your audience down further, you can then remove or exclude people from your audience set, whether that be by industry or by job title or by seniority. This enables your audience to be more targeted specifically once you carry on, but it gives your LinkedIn feed the chance to get used to it in the first place. My third tip is once you launch your ads, don't forget to keep checking them. There is no point in just letting them run and not having a look or optimizing. Optimization can include changing the creatives around, adjusting your social copy, or adjusting your bid to be more in line with what your competitors are also bidding. This means that your ads will perform better in the long run, and it gives you the opportunity to test and learn.